Good morning, my people. This is your girl, National Gist TV. I am here again to give you another gist. Please, if today is your first time, please can you go straight to that notification bell and press the notification bell so that I can, whenever I post a gist, so that you can get it. And to my old subscribers, I say thank you very much for your love towards me. Thank you for what you've been doing on my channel. I really appreciate you all. God will bless you. Yeah, we are bringing the royal palace news to you this morning, and what we know is that 2 days ago they they carried themselves to our king. They went to the king and they started complaining that the king does not have time for them, that they are tired, that they've been weak. It's been a week now. The king have been going about Naomi everywhere, following her around, that they are so tired. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. Nǹkan tẹ́mi rí sọ sí yìí ni pé wọ́n ní kò sí béèyàn fẹ́ ṣe pẹ̀lú ìyàwó mẹ́fà, báwo ni ọba ṣe fẹ́ pín déédé? Kò sí. Kò sí ẹni tó máa rírú nǹkan báyẹn tí ò ní complain. And ẹ mọ̀ kábíyèsí ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé kí wọ́n gbogbo máa lọ sí outside palace. Ó yẹ kí kábíyèsí gbé ìgbésẹ̀ yẹn ní kíákíá. Nítorí gbogbo àwọn obìnrin yìí, òrìṣà jẹ́ ń pé méjì obìnrin kò dénú. Ẹ wo celebration Queen Naomi lórí social media. Ẹ wo bí social media ṣe mì, bó ṣe mì tìtì bí ìgbà tó yẹ pé ọba president ìlú kan ló ń ṣe birthday. Ẹni tó bá ní pé kò sí ibi tí wọ́n ti celebrate Queen Naomi o, all over the world not to celebrate wọn. It was nice. It was very, very nice. Very, very nice celebration. So everywhere not to celebrate Queen Naomi. Kò síbi tí wọ́n ti celebrate wọn. And èyí ó bí àwọn olórí yẹn nínú pé kábíyèsí ò ní time fáwọn. Wọ́n kàn fáwọn sí palace ni àwọn enjoy ara wọn láti bí ọ̀sẹ̀ kan ní ìsìn. Àwọn òrojú kábíyèsí ńlẹ̀, kábíyèsí kan sáré kiri, Queen Naomi o, Queen Naomi lọ́tùn, Queen Naomi lósì, Queen every day. They were telling kábíyèsí that kábíyèsí is always following Queen Naomi everywhere. Kábíyèsí does not have time for them. They were complaining bitterly. They were complaining bitterly that kábíyèsí does not have time for them. That is always Queen Naomi. Kábíyèsí will be calling Queen Naomi name everywhere, up and down, everywhere, up and down. And now Queen Naomi is moving to the palace. How are they going to be sure that kábíyèsí will have time for them? Kábíyèsí have already packed them somewhere. He does not have time for them. Báwo ni kábíyèsí ṣe fẹ́ ní time fún yín? Kábíyèsí ò lè ní time fún yín. Kábíyèsí ti sọ fún yín tẹ́lẹ̀ pé ìyàwó òun lẹ́ni yìí, ẹni tó tọkàn ń yàn ni. Ó ní ìyàwó palace ní gbogbo yẹn dẹ fẹ́rẹ́ efe tí ara yín gbọ́ kó ń jẹ́ pé ó yọ sọ. What I'm saying there is that kábíyèsí told them already that they are palace wife, that he can never love anybody except Queen Naomi, and they hear it themselves and they are still there. So ńgbà tẹ́ ti yàn pé ẹ máa fẹ́ kábíyèsí, ṣe mọ̀ pé lọ́jọ́ yẹn tí kábíyèsí pé gbogbo yín, ó ní ẹni tí kò bá gbọ́ rí pé òun ò sọ̀rọ̀ Naomi rí, ó ní kó lọ́wọ́. Ṣé lè náwó? There was a time the kábíyèsí have a meeting with all of them, and kábíyèsí asked them that if anybody have never heard me talking about Queen Naomi, please raise up your hand. Nobody can raise their hand up, because there is no way you will not know that this man is so much in love with Queen Naomi. Let's talk about Abigail Jagaban. You remember the other time Abigail was telling us that, hey, Queen Naomi and the king, they are Adam and Eve. That when he was dating the king, that there is no way the king will not mention Queen Naomi's name. If you are with the king, within 20 times, the king will be calling Naomi and say, I'm sorry, please. He will call Naomi again. I'm sorry, please. He will, That he does that to all of them. That even if the king is doing the thing now, you understand, that the king will be calling Naomi on you. Yeah, kan tí mò ń sọ mẹ́yẹn ni pé ẹ mọ̀ pé Abigail Jagaban jáde ńgbà kan tó sọ pé ẹni tó ń dètì ẹni tó bá ti ń dètì queen king pé kábíyèsí máa ń fi orúkọ Queen Naomi pé everybody ni. Ó ní even gan kó kábíyèsí wà lórí ẹ̀ ó máa porúkọ Queen Naomi pé ó ti pe ìgbà tí ó wà pẹ̀lú Ashley ó ti pe Naomi rí pé even gan ìgbà tó wà pẹ̀lú Mariam ó ti pe Naomi rí. So ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ̀yin olórí yìí, you need to just sit down somewhere and take your faith. Complaining will not solve anything. You cannot remove the love the Kabiyesi has for Queen Naomi. You cannot remove it from his heart. This is a natural thing. It's not artificial. It's not something they buy with money or something that is just doing it. No, it's natural. The king is in love with Queen Naomi. There is nothing you can do. The only thing you can do is to pray for a little love for yourself. So my people, so this is the gist I have for you today. So, and by the grace of God, I will bring another gist today again. So please share this video, like and subscribe. It is your girl, Mashallah Gist TV. I love you all. Thank you.